Hello, 8th graders. This short lecture is for the last section in this chapter before your chapter review and your test. Just basically one rule. There are only about, I think, 4 at the top of the page. If you look at the information for this section, but there's only one rule that I really want to highlight here. Gives people some confusion a little every now and then. Do not capitalize a common noun that follows a proper adjective. An example of this would be Jif peanut butter. You capitalize Jif, obviously. That's the proper adjective, the name of the brand, but you do not capitalize peanut butter. Yes, I know if you look on the jar, peanut butter may be capitalized. That's only done for advertising attention-getting purposes. Okay, you would not capitalize those in a sentence. However, here is something you would capitalize both words of. CC's pizza. Okay, and you say, well, that's a proper adjective and a common noun. Why do you capitalize pizza? Well, here's why. Because that's the actual proper name of the place. Okay, so you would capitalize both CC's and pizza. Okay, I hope this has helped to clarify. And again, as always, if you have questions, please do not hesitate to message me on LMS. And have a wonderful day.